take note of the particular dates, because it will be remembered that when we went for a short recess last session, Honorable Speaker, some few members still reported to duty in this House the following day because they were not very keen on when the House adjourned for short recess. So I say that the House is going to proceed for short recess from Tuesday, 22nd October, and the regular sittings will resume on Tuesday, 5th November 2024. Honorable Speaker, with regards to the business schedule for tomorrow, Friday, 18th October 2024, the House is expected to consider the following private members' business and other priority business, some of which are listed in today's order paper. Committee of the whole House of the Senate amendments to the Food and Feed Safety Control Coordination Bill 2023. Second reading of the following bills, Honorable Speaker: the Higher Education Loans Board Amendment Bill 2022, the Parliamentary Pensions Bill 2023, the Public Finance Management Amendment Bill 2022, the Political Parties Amendment Bill 2022, the Parliamentary Pensions Amendment Bill 2022, the Parliamentary Powers and Privileges Amendment Bill, Senate Bill number 37 of 2023, the Environmental Management and Coordination Amendment Bill 2023, the Land Control Bill 2023, and the County Government's Revenue Raising Process Bill of 2023. Honorable Speaker, with regard to business schedule for Tuesday, 5th November 2024, the House is expected to continue second reading of the following bills, if not concluded. That is the Equalization Fund Administration Bill, Senate Bill number 14 of 2023, the Public Finance Management Amendment Bill 2022, and the Political Parties Amendment Bill 2022. Additionally, Honorable Speaker, debate will also be undertaken on the following motions, should they not be concluded today. That is the first report on the implementation status of the House resolutions of the committee, reports and public petitions passed by the House, report on the alleged unfair trade practices by foreign investors in Kenya, second report on employment diversity audit in public institutions, report of the extraordinary session of the 6th Pan-African Parliament, consideration of reports on financial statement of the state corporations of Nyanza region, third report on consideration of the audited accounts of specified state corporations, and consideration of session of paper number 5 of 2023 on the national policy on migration, on labor migration. Having said that, Honorable Speaker, in accordance with the provisions of Standing Order number 42A, 5 and 6, I wish to convey that the Cabinet Secretary for Roads and Transport is scheduled to appear before the House on the afternoon Wednesday, 6th of November, to respond to the following questions. Number one question, Honorable Speaker, is by private notice number 13 of 2024 by the member for Gatanga, the Honorable Wakili Edward Mureu, MP, regarding status of any negotiation for concession agreement between the government and the Adani Group regarding the management of Jomo Kenyatta International Airport. Honorable Speaker, question by private notice number 14, 2024 by the member for Embakasi West, the Honorable Mark Mwenje, regarding amount of money disbursed to KERA for financial year 2023 and 2024 as of September 2024 for Nandi County, Nandi City County, yes. Sorry, it should be Nairobi City County. My apologies, Nandi is not a county, Honorable Speaker. And the measures, Nandi is not a city, sorry, it's a county, but it's not a city. I realized there's a typo here. It's supposed to be Nairobi City County and not Nandi City County. Nandi is not a city. It is a county, but it's not a city. It is some village county. Sorry, it's a good county known for very good farming for tea and other matters. And the measures being taken to address the...
What's your point of order, Honorable Meli? Madam Speaker, the majority whip is actually demeaning my county, the source of champions, the county renowned for tea, sugar, and all, and even the home county, almost where the nationalist Koitalel somewhere came from. So you should read his statement well and apologize to the people of Nandi County.
My apologies, Honorable Meli. I really don't mean to undermine the great county of Nandi. What I meant is that it's a county that is found in the remote areas of this country and doing very well in, but it's not a city. And it does very well in athletics, farming, but the fact is it's in the remote areas of this country. But Honorable Speaker, question number 167.
Honorable Pukose.
You know, Honorable Speaker, that the supports are the grandfathers of the Kalenjin community. And I would not want Honorable Osoro to get away with disparaging the Nandi County as a remote county. It's not fair, Honorable Osoro. I think that one you should be able to withdraw that statement. With all respect, Majority Whip.
Thank you very much. Honorable Speaker, I hope Honorable Pukose will take judicial notice of the fact that my first girlfriend hailed from Nandi County, and I found that village was very remote when I was visiting that area then. And I also want to inform Honorable Pukose that I was privileged to attend a great school in a very, very great school in a remote area of Nandi County called Kapsabet. So, Honorable Speaker, I know when I say, no, the school is great, but it's found in some very remote area in Nandi County. But I am fair that Nandi is a great county. Question number 167, but it's not a city, we agree. Question number 167, 2023, by the member for Baringo Central, the Honorable Joshua Kandie, regarding criteria used and applied by the Kenya Roads Board to determine the amount of funds allocated to each constituency. Question number 178 of 2023 by the member for Kinangop, the Honorable Gonzi Rai, regarding the issuance of demolition notices against the Makinon Road Trading Center, purely by the Kenya National Highway Authority. And also the question number 13 of 2024 by the member for Funyula, Honorable Dr. Ojiambo Oudo, MP, regarding the current status of Matayos, Ganjala, Nahasiko, Nangina Road,